AI is confusing, not only to lawyers, but to other business professionals. So here's the deal. I'm going to tell you the truth, no matter how hard it is to hear. We don't have time to pretend anymore. This is a moment in time, a turning point. And every week you're told the same thing in a different way. You're told you're going to be replaced by AI. You're not using the tools well enough. And if the results aren't good, the problem is you, not the AI. Heck, I've told you this stuff myself because it's true. But here is the deeper, more important truth. Behind all the noise, behind all the predictions, one reality remains. There is no finish line. And those who have already started integrating AI into their daily workflows, you can never catch them. You are behind and will be exponentially behind. Wherever you are not far enough. And that includes me. I teach business professionals and lawyers how to become power users of AI tools. And even I have only scratched the surface of all there is to know about these tools. This technology is an ocean without a horizon. And the more you know, the more amplified you are and the greater your chance of survival. AI is a skill with infinite depth, and survival in this profession, legal profession, will not belong to the dabblers. It's going to belong to those of us who have started early and invested the hours of time every day learning more. Those who see AI as an existential threat to their careers are in a great position. They're mastering AI as their number one priority above all else. The most important skill you need to secure your career, protect your family and your income, and continue as a lawyer, not only shaping the future of law, but society itself. And while enterprises are investing heavily in AI systems, law firms are kind of lagging behind. They failed to train their personnel, and many of these law firms will soon follow the path already taken by major consulting firms like Accenture, replacing non-AI personnel with workers who already have AI skills, the mentality, and the right vision. That's right, firing some lawyers and replacing them with ones who already have AI skills. So this isn't about whether you should prepare, it's about whether you've already started. Because if you haven't, you're already behind. And this sucks to say, it may already be too late. Wherever you are in your AI journey, you are amplified, and amplification will accelerate. If you're 3x and someone else is 2x, you will be 10x before they're 4x. And lawyers who are already 10x will be 100x before you are 10x. Truth. The chasm between you and the lawyer who's been learning to use these AI tools will expand exponentially over time. And all things being equal, you can never catch up. That's the reality of AI. That is the truth of infinite potential. But if you're still here and you're listening to this video, then you have one advantage. You already know the stakes. And now is the time to make a real commitment to increase your odds of survival, to reduce the odds that you will not only be replaced by AI itself at some point, but more likely by another lawyer who has better skills, brings the right mentality to his or her desk each morning, and develops new AI strategies for their daily workflow. I need a favor from you right now. Yes, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment with your thoughts or questions, but here is my ask. Share this video, this channel with your partners, your associates, and anyone you care about. Their professional lives depend on it. And remember, on this channel, we're all in this together.